guys, today we're back with wave reflections and wave interferences. Let's get started. So wave reflections are when wave hits a point and then it bounces back. And this occurs because a new medium that it lands upon is denser than the original medium. So you can think of it like you go to a concert and you're trying to break through the crowd, but obviously if it's too dense, if there are too many people in front of you, you will get bounced back. And this is exactly what waves do. They invert their shape once they come upon a new medium that is denser than the original medium. But if the new medium that they come across is less dense than the original medium, then it'll keep its shape and keep on going. It will not reflect. And this is what I mean by this. So the incident wave is our original wave. Say that it's